In the next couple of sections, we'll look at some more advanced texturing techniques aimed at improving the realism of our models. Here's the roof of our house. We're going to see if we can improve the texture of the roof. First, we'll paint all the surfaces of the roof with a shingles texture. Because the end walls form part of the same object, we'll use the Paint Surface tool rather than the Paint Object tool. Clearly, the UV map needs to be changed. Select all the faces making up one slope of the roof and apply planar UV. The chances are the plane will need to be rotated into position. This can be most easily done in a left or right view. Looking at it though, it's very boring. Only a brand new house has a roof as clean and nice as that. This is the texture we've used so far. There is a seamless shingles texture map and a corresponding bump map. And the reflectance texture is standard Caligari matte. To improve this, I'm going to add another layer to the material. In this case, I don't want to change the bump or reflectance from the base layer, so the transparency of the second layer is set to 100% for both shaders. In the color shader, I've loaded the standard Caligari shader called Turbulent. This will apply a nice mottled color effect. To add another degree of interest and complexity, I'm using a transparency map to limit the turbulence and allow the underlying shingles to come through. To paint this new texture onto the model, we can save time by using the Paint Over Existing Material tool to replace all the old texture with a new one. Now that's an improvement, although some repeats are still visible. Here's the whole roof completed. This method of adding grunge to a texture is hugely versatile and adds greatly to the realism of the end result. The downside is that it slows down rendering.